On Buddy.red, AI doesn't replace the engineer, it enhances their abilities, helping you become a better software engineer with AI, not as AI. With the support of ChatGPT 4.0 for intelligent code completion and error analysis, coupled with Buddy CI/CD for streamlined automation, the platform ensures you remain at the forefront of software development. The integrated IDE offers a robust workspace, enabling you to learn, apply, and refine new techniques efficiently. This comprehensive support structure empowers you to excel in multiple roles, from engineering to operations, facilitating smoother transitions between development stages and ensuring optimal workflow efficiency. Leveraging AI as a supportive tool enhances productivity and makes complex tasks more manageable. Ladies and gentlemen, let me give you a very quick demonstration how to use Buddy.red with ChatGPT 4.0, IDE, and Buddy CI/CD in one place and make you become a better engineer.